guys, I'm Jude, and today I have my best friend. His name is Camden.
So,
the first thing we're gonna do is preheat the oven to 350.
goodies.
The ingredients you need are 1 cup of sugar, 2 cups of flour,
4 eggs, and 8 ounces of butter. We're gonna put the sugar and butter in the electric mixer.
Now we're gonna mix the butter and sugar to light and creamy.
Ooh, that's that. That's one more thing?
All of it. Put all of it in the can.
Okay. Hey. Ooh, it's yellow.
Now that you put your sugar, eggs, butter, and mix it, now you're going to pour your flour in, but not too much. And then you're gonna slightly sift it like this.
Let the Jude display. Oh, it's the heat already done. Cut.
Now we're gonna divide the mixture into the parchment covered pan. Now that we divided the mixtures and put them in the pans, we're gonna put them in the oven and let them cook for 25 minutes.
Next, we're gonna make whipped cream for the filling.
We're gonna put 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. Now we are going to beat it. Get your butt! We're gonna hit your booty! Hit it real good, and
Wait
you are
there.
not gonna like it, but wait! Now while we're waiting to get the whipped cream to whip, we're gonna cut some strawberries. Now that your whipped cream is made and your strawberries are cut, you're gonna get your spoon and start to spread it on the cake, like this. I'm spreading, I'm spreading, I'm spreading.
Music.
I'm spreading whipped cream. I'm spreading whipped cream.
Okay, so right now I'm going to be spreading the strawberries on the cake. I will not stop until this whole cake is covered with red. Now I'm putting the powdered sugar on the strawberries in the cake.
I put the second layer on, and now I'm gonna dust it with powdered sugar.
It looks like it's snowing.
Now it's time for the best part of this project.
Now it's time to eat.
Making it, cooking eggs, cracking eggs, all that stuff was fun. But the most funnest part is to eat it. Kids, always have permission with your parents to use a knife. I will now act like a butler. So, here's your cake.
Did you find a butler?
You need...
This is the best food ever. 10 out of 10.
Delicious. I'm the center of the universe. This cake is too.
This is so good. I love this cake. You guys have to make this. Oh, what are you doing? You're good, girl.